Prepare for a high-velocity journey into the heart of physics. The speed of light, an ultimate cosmic constant, is the absolute speed limit of our universe. Watch as a single photon, a particle of light, streaks across the vacuum of space, blazing a trail of energy. Even in our most powerful particle accelerators, we can only push subatomic particles incredibly close to this limit. This speed limit is absolute. Nothing with mass can reach or exceed the speed of light. So how fast is light really? Light travels at approximately 300,000 kilometers per second, or 186,000 miles per second. To put that in perspective, a beam of light can circle the Earth over 7 times in a single second. Even our fastest spacecraft, traveling at mind-boggling speeds, barely make a dent in comparison to light's velocity. But how do we know this limit is real? We test it rigorously. Particle accelerators push particles to 99.999% of the speed of light, yet they never cross that final barrier. Even everyday technology like GPS satellites needs relativistic corrections, proving the laws of physics hold true even for minute differences in speed. Precise measurements across all fields of physics consistently confirm this cosmic speed limit. The evidence is overwhelming. Light speed is the universe's ultimate benchmark. The closer an object gets to the speed of light, the weirder physics gets, thanks to relativity. As objects approach light speed, their mass increases, requiring an infinite amount of energy to reach the final barrier. Time itself slows down, an incredible phenomenon known as time dilation, meaning speed costs time. The speed of light is not just a high velocity, it's a fundamental property woven into the fabric of space and time. It defines the boundaries of cause and effect, connecting everything we know about the universe. Light truly is the universe's ultimate speed limit. Thank you for watching.